Now this is our electric honeycomb paper machine. This one is totally different from just now we have introduced the manual one. For this type, you can control it by the machine. Don't need to pull it to make the honeycomb shape. You just need to put on the paper and just like this, put the paper. Like this. Put the paper and prepare to walk in the space. Just like this, put it. And manual make it enter the machine. Cause this is our sample and our technician need to do some tests, so some parts maybe can't fix well. So don't worry, before our product sent to you, we can fix it and test it. When it's successful work, then send to you. Now you can see it has already stretched this honeycomb paper shape. And then just need to put this white linen paper on the honeycomb paper and press this start button. And you can begin to wrap. When you find this paper is enough, how to stretch it? You don't need to tear it yourself. Here have another part design. This is a knife. Like this. You can cut the paper very easily. And now it's already. Sure, for this white linen paper, if you don't need to use it, also can not put it. Just use honeycomb paper is also okay.
Yes, and okay, now let me introduce some details of this machine to you. You can see there are some different buttons and just the button right. You can see here, this is the speed adjusters. You can see here, our this machine speed, the max speed is 70 meter per minute. It's 0 to 70 meter per minute. You can adjust based on your actually usings. Okay, let me show you. You can see here, the speed is slower, right? You can add. And you can screw these buttons to increase or lower the speed by yourself. And here, our machines have two models, the auto models and the timing models. Okay, and you can put this. This is the auto models, and you can select this one. This one is the timing models. And the timing models means you can set the time and press this. Inside it will stop automatically, and we can set the times from 0 to 30 seconds. As you can see here, you can adjust by yourself. And if you want to repeat, you just need to press these buttons, and it will repeat again as per your adjusting times. Yes, and it will stop again. Then repeat. Stop again. Yes. And now let us select the auto models, and this is the start and stop buttons. And here is our knife, yes, the cutters. You don't need to use your hand to tear off the paper. You just need to put your hand to make these cutters push this and it will cut automatically.
And I find for this machine, it can stretch a very beautiful honeycomb shape.
Yes.
Yeah.
And our machine, we can also make the customized cutter, right?
Yeah, like our other machines.
Yes, and we can also put your logos on the machine, right? Yes, and if you don't need these white line papers, you can remove it and just use the honeycomb papers. And that means this machine can use only with the honeycomb paper, or you can with the white line papers. Yes. Okay, so this is our new machines, and if you can conference orders in this month, you can get 2 pieces buy free when you purchase 20 pieces.
Yes, this is a really very big promotion.
Yes, 10 percentage discounts.
Yes, just in this month.
Yes. And for the machine power, some customers they may concern about the voltage.
Yes.
For example, in USA, they may use the 110 voltage, but at our European markets, they usually use 220 voltage. Yes, we can make the different power for use. If you need, you just need to confirm to us before you place the orders.
Yes, this is very important.
Yes,
because if you don't tell us what voltage you use, so if we think wrong voltage is it's very difficult and very trouble.
Yes, correct. And we also can send you the correct plug, right?
Yes.
Yes, because different countries they have their own different plug, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Especially for some customers, if you want to sell to another customer.
Yes, correct. Yes. That is very important because sometimes our customer they are from the United States, but later they are machine to European markets. Their plug is different, your voltage is different.
Yes.
Yes, and it will cause I think it's a big progress. So before you place order, confirm to us everything you want.
Yes.
Yeah.